Are you ready for your first run of the day?
Yes, man. I've waited and waited.
Well, welcome back. There's my cloth. We ain't got a lot of time today, as per usual. I kind of got a real late start to the day last night. I didn't sleep good. I had problems sleeping anyway, but I didn't sleep good. So, like I said, late start of the day. Got my hair cut before I come in, but we got to hurry. 239 days until No Name Nationals, and 71 days until Cletus and Cars Burnout Rivals April. We're gonna put tires on, and I talked to State Highway Patrol about the trailer. Nothing can be done. No wreck report was filed. I hadn't even sent the title off yet. I don't have insurance on it, so I'm kind of up shit creek. Surprise. We're going to put tires on for customer. We talked to SHP, and we're going to clean the back room a little bit. Alright, let's get to work.
I didn't arm the hood.
Hey, look, I don't have but a second, everybody. I got tires put on, and I talked to SHP. Turns out there ain't nothing I can do about everything. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna have to fix the trailer. In the meantime, I did not get to clean my back room. Okay, I ran out of time. I'm gonna try to throw a little bit of this video together. I got 24 minutes before I gotta go to work. So 239 days until No Name National, 71 days until Burnout Rivals April down at the Freedom Factory. Thank y'all. See y'all tomorrow.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's another cold day. I'll be glad when this cold weather gets out of here because it just really brings my mood down. I'm gonna look here at the agenda. 239 days to No Name National, 71 days to the Burnout Rival at Cletus and Cars in Florida. Let's see, I know Randy put the tires on for that guy. There's the old ones, he definitely needed some. He did call Highway Patrol. They did come out and looked at the trailer. I don't know if he told you, I've not looked at his footage, but they did come out. There's nothing they could do. There wasn't a police report. So basically, you know, it's just messed up, and it's up to us to fix it. But it is what it is. So and clean the back room. I'll be honest with you, I've not been back there to look. I did go get me a drink to get me some Tylenol. Today on the track, I had to run 50 miles in the truck that I normally drive, and it's pretty rough riding on the track, and it's just got my lower back to hurting. So I took a couple of Tylenol, and I think I'm gonna I'm gonna do a little bit. Don't get me wrong. I'm gonna clean out the wood stove because we've not had a fire in it in 2 days, so there's no hot coals in it. So I'm gonna get all the ashes out and get it ready because we got to get some stuff done. This is 2 days. I haven't done much, and Randy's done a little bit, but you know we've not been up to our expectations the last couple of days, so we really got to get back on it. I'm gonna make a parts list for the oil burner because this cold snap here, I was low on wood, and that's why Randy didn't want to build a fire because you know he wanted to. Tomorrow when we get here, we can build a fire and get the heat going, and we can cut some wood and you know try to keep it going because I'm not only out of wood here, I'm out of wood at the house. That last little bit I cut, we're down to the last little bit of it. So. I'm gonna make a parts list for that oil burner so I can get it up and going, and it'd be easy just to come in and light. And it really helped that office out when the back was being, you know, heated up. So I want to get that back to going. Maybe tomorrow on my way into here, I can stop and get the parts that I need to try to do it. Maybe that'll be on the agenda for tomorrow. And the other day when Randy cleaned up the tools for the fireball, he missed the section over in the corner where we had laid some of the odds and ends tools on the ladder we had used to get to it while it was up in the air. So I'm gonna clean those tools up and get them back in the toolbox and get everything, make sure everything's back straight, so we can, like I said, get on it this weekend. We get some heat in here. I think it's supposed to be a little bit warmer. Not much, but a little bit. But I think next week it's supposed to get real pretty. I am going to miss a couple of days being with y'all next week. I'll explain that a little bit later, but I do not like missing them. I like being here and doing this and talking to y'all, but I'll explain all that a little bit closer to the time. So, like I said, I'm going to get on this little bit of work here, and I'll be with you in a little bit. Thank you. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but I was just talking away and the camera just died. But on today's agenda, I cleaned out the wood stove, and I didn't really film anything because cleaning out the wood stove is just taking the ashes out and throw it out. I made a parts list for the oil burner. When I started making my parts list, I think I'm losing my mind or something because we're we bought a lot of parts to go on to a lot of different projects, and us trying to get things moved in and cleaned up. I'll either move something or Randy will move something, and we neither one can find it. So I'm hoping that when Randy gets here tomorrow, he remembers where I put it, or if he put it somewhere, and I can get that, and I can fix that barrel. I did go get the barrel and bring it down here, so I'll have it tomorrow. But I kind of know what I need on the parts list, providing I can find my bag I bought the other day. And then maybe we can work on that tomorrow. I cleaned up the tools for Fireball. I got all that cleaned up over there and put back in the toolbox like it's supposed to be. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. I'll go in here and work on this video and get it up. It'll be another short one because you know, when you get in a depressed mood, it takes a couple of days to get out of it. And it's not only that; it's just cold. Now, luckily, I've been in the truck the bigger part of the day. I didn't have to get out a lot, but it's also one of those deals when you just have to get out and do something. It's just so miserable cold. I don't see how people do it up north and living like this. It's not for me. But when you get cold and depressed, it's just hard to get things going. So, but I'm hoping that tomorrow's Friday. I mean, I know tomorrow's Friday. Don't get me wrong. That didn't come out right. But tomorrow's Friday. I'm hoping to get here and be able to accomplish more. Now, tomorrow, like I told you earlier, tomorrow will be a major wood cutting day. I'm gonna have to get out there and get some wood cut for here and the house. And while I was running around looking for the parts for that oil burner, I found one of the parts for that trailer Randy got, that the wires got messed up on. Randy was working on the other day. I found the light kit or the wiring kit I bought for it. So that's got to be done too. I was going to hook the trailer up and take it home tonight so I could get a load of slabs in the morning. But I got pulled the other day going through Denton here because one of my tail lights is out on my dually, and I can't figure out why. So I don't think I need to be going through Denton again tonight with no tail light and then no lights on the trailer. So we got a big weekend ahead of us trying to get everything that we got to get done. There's a few things that has to be done, like the wood. So maybe tomorrow I can get out there and get some wood cut. Maybe I can coach Justin into coming over here after work. But he needs to come here and take the XP home. We tried to get the battery up and going, but I think either I'm going to go buy a new battery for it or take the battery out of Steven's XP and put it over in it and then buy a new battery. One way or the other, we'll try to get it going tomorrow. So that between the wood cutting tomorrow and the battery and the lights, and it might be a busy day tomorrow. So just hang around. This will be another short video, but we'll get it out there and then hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit better for our agendas, and we'll stay a little bit more than just this peddly crap we've done for the last 2 days. I think it is supposed to be a little bit warmer tomorrow, not a lot, but a little bit. So remember, it's 239 days to No Name National. That number's getting smaller quick. It just seems, I mean, before we know it, it's going to be here. 71 days to the Burnout Rivals in Cletus and Cars in Florida at the Freedom Factory. I still have not got an email back from them. I know it's 71 days, but I sure would like to get the email so I can go ahead and line it up and we can kind of see how things is going to go. So we kind of got a goal to go by. And also, I know tomorrow is just thinking, but tomorrow we're going to sit down too and try to go over the big truck and do a parts list and see exactly what we got to start ordering. And I would like to build a bed on it. I'll talk to y'all about that tomorrow, but kind of show y'all what I'm thinking and everything. But that's tomorrow. But as far as today, these numbers are cutting down pretty quick. We pretty well got our agenda done, which I know there ain't much of an agenda, but we got it done. And I'm gonna go in here and work on this video. Y'all remember, like, subscribe, and comment. Several of y'all commented last night on the videos and the video, and man, it feels good. I got to respond to some of them. Randy responds to most of them because usually I'm in a position I might can get them and read them. But with him working nights, me working days, I'm normally not in a position where I can respond to them. If I can, and I get them before Randy, I do. But I do read every one of them. And Randy usually responds, but it sure does feel good for you guys to reach out and send the comments and the ideas and your ventures along with ours. It makes me feel like I fit right in. So again, thank y'all, every one of y'all, for liking and commenting and following us along, because we're going to do this and we're going to do it with you. So like, subscribe, tell your friends, watch a video, hit the share button, like button, and let's do all this together. Thank you.